If you are working in tech industry or if you are a tech enthusiast, you should be aware that an industry shaping moment is approaching. Smartphones changed our lives, but now we need to start preparing for post-iPhone era. We know from internal sources that since 2016, Apple is heavily invested in virtual and augmented reality. VR is about escaping from reality and interacting with a digital immersive world. AR is about embracing reality. AR takes digital objects and systems and merges them with natural world surrounding user. Pokemon Go is a great example for an AR experience. Mixed reality is the type of experience combines VR and AR. This can be separate experiences or can be combined. And now we have a lot of information about an upcoming mixed reality headset rumored to be shown to the world for the first time after years of hard work and engineering challenges. Apple embraced an iterative approach for its product development. iPod, first released as a music player, later upgraded to iPod Touch, combining music, videos and internet browsing functionalities. And finally, it upgraded into iPhone by bringing phone features. Apple has come out with AirPods, Apple Watch and a lot of services in Cook's time as CEO, but there hasn't been a major market shifting creation like the first iPhone or One More Thing magic. Despite this, Apple has seen unprecedented growth and expansion thanks to Cook's ability to push for the improvements and investment in Apple's primary products. If you didn't spend last 10 years in a cave, you probably heard about virtual reality headsets or about augmented reality. You've been probably told it's an early adopter type gimmicky product with no market need except content consumption and gaming. Since the early Oculus, millions of people experience virtual reality, but very few deeply understand what those early experiences meant and where exactly market is going. When it comes to spatial computing, Apple invests more in AR, and if they follow an iterative approach like they did with iPhone, we can expect multiple generations of headsets in the direction from enclosed helmet type to a more lightweight glasses type to build a new computing platform. I'm not trying to convince you that spatial computing will change the world. That's already happening. It is the next big thing. Sorry NFTs. And spoiler alert, it's not gonna be a gimmicky product where only nerds like to use. Eventually, with these glasses, you will be able to do everything you are doing on your iPhone today with MacBook level power. That's gonna be an industry defining moment, especially when Apple enters to the market. iPhone got massive adoption from consumers and businesses. Companies wanted to build their own iOS apps in this new ecosystem because it brought more sales than regular web stores. The biggest impact of mobile e-commerce may be that it dramatically expanded opportunity. Until smart devices became prominent, online purchases were constrained by location. You really only could shop with a desktop or laptop computer unless you go to a real physical store. iPhone and Android made internet mobile. Always connected mobile devices let us shop from anywhere thanks to cellular internet connection. It fundamentally changed our shopping behavior. Add to that features like Apple Pay or App Store itself for discovering new shops and mobile experiences. This made apps like Uber, Tinder, TikTok, Pokemon Go possible. Next step is gonna be internet becoming virtual, which will give birth to new generation of apps. Next step in e-commerce will be power of trying things and visualization of items when you are purchasing. I believe virtually trying new shoes on your feet, visiting hotel room you want to book, displaying your lunch at your working desk have a huge potential from e-commerce perspective. when they are combined with existing iPhone features like Apple Pay and cellular connectivity. Because simply, visualization impacts human perception and purchasing decisions. Ming-Chi Kuo, an Apple analyst with very accurate track record for upcoming products, says Apple's roadmap is helmet line by 2022 with early 2023 release date. Kuo believes this headset is a mixed reality product, supports both AR and VR. Next, we will see glasses type by 2025 and contact lens type by 2030 or 2040. These will focus fully on AR and they will look like regular eyeglasses, more of an everyday accessory like Apple Watch or AirPods. And Apple believes such glasses can one day replace the iPhone, a product that now accounts for more than half of Apple's revenue. I'm not 100% sure about iPhone will be fully replaced by glasses in 10 years, but it's gonna clearly impact how we perceive smartphones if glass type can reach the social acceptance and comfort levels required by full-day usage. Also, 10 years is a very long time. In 2011, iPhone 4S and BlackBerry were the hottest gadgets in the market. We had also first ever episode of Game of Thrones and Charlie Sheen was fired from Two and a Half Men. And Fidel Castro was still alive. Apple won't position its mixed reality headset only as a gaming device, but as something ready for other application categories as well. So they can reach to more people with their services like Fitness Plus or TV Plus. I will continue bringing you all news about Apple's mixed reality headset in the upcoming videos. Until next time, hoşça kalın.